Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope everybody is very well. Greetings of the day. This is Bharti Singh, principal of Greenfield Academy, Ramnagar. Parents, since long I have not have a word with you, so I thought to discuss something that is really very much important, and something struck me yesterday. Uh, for last 2 3 days, there was a thought in my mind, and then I thought, let me discuss as early as possible to you all. As you are very well aware about, due to dissemination of COVID-19 or coronavirus, our students are not allowed to go out. Traditional teaching is also not taking place because government of India has asked all these school authorities not to open their schools. So therefore, because learning process should not stop, it must go on. As it is said, whatever conditions are there, but show must go on. So learning show is also going on through internet teaching, online classes. What I am going to speak to you today, that is also relating to online classes. As homeworks are given by the teachers in various subjects, to complete the homework, children have to access the internet. There are some problems. When they access the net, sometimes they expose the undesirable, unwanted things. They come across such things which can distract them immediately, which can grasp the mind of the students. So, in the same regard, my request, my earnest request to all the parents is that please be with the students, all the mothers. Please forget for some time your household work and accompany the students so that they can be monitored very well. They must know that our parents are guiding and they are sitting with us, and whatever work we are doing, it has to be done in their presence itself. Learning should go on, classes should go on. Along with that, we must ensure the security and safety of our children. Being the head of the institute, I just felt this thing and I'm sharing. I feel you must be taking all the safety measures which are required, but do not leave students all alone. This is my suggestion. Apart from that, let's pray for the safety of frontline warriors who are fighting in this pandemic in order to help the citizens of a country. They are trying to help the nation. A PM, he has also urged many a times that do not come out until unless it's very urgent. So let's stay at home. This is the minimum thing which we can do while sitting at home. This will be the minimum, the smallest contribution towards our nation. That's how we can stop, we can take care about our country. So we all have to be very much vigilant about. So parents, please be with your students. I understand they are children, they are not getting time, they are not allowed to go out and be with their friends and play outdoor games. They all are indoors. I understand there is so much difficulty, but it's okay. For the safety and security, we'll have to sacrifice for some time our freedom, but I'm sure sooner things will be normal. So again we will be out, again students will come here in this school. You know, students, I miss you so much. Your lovely faces. I keep recalling when I'm at home. I keep recalling your faces, the way I guide you, the way we hold assembly. So the way I call you on the stage to share your views. Yes, students, I'm really missing you so much. I cannot express in my words. So I hope that sooner you will be here in the school and our whole country, nation will be free of corona. We will definitely defeat it with our positive attitude. Till then, be safe, take care, do not go out until unless it's not very urgent. Okay, children, take care a lot. Thank you. Jai Hind.